Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to manage work-life balance with Dola AI in 2026. Keeping your work and personal life organized can be challenging when meetings, tasks, appointments, and personal responsibilities all compete for the same time. Dola AI can help you create a clearer schedule by organizing these activities through your connected calendar. First, open Dola AI and make sure your supported calendar is connected. Start by reviewing your existing work commitments, including meetings, deadlines, and important appointments. Next, add your personal activities to your schedule. These might include exercise, family time, personal appointments, hobbies, or other activities that are important to you. For example, you can tell Dola, schedule an hour for exercise tomorrow at 6 p.m. Creating a calendar event for personal activities helps ensure that personal time doesn't always get pushed aside by work. You can also create dedicated work blocks. For example, ask Dola to schedule 2 hours of focused work in the morning. This can help you complete important tasks without constantly switching between different activities. Another useful strategy is setting boundaries between work and personal time. Try to avoid filling your entire evening with work meetings or tasks whenever possible. You can also use reminders to prepare for the end of your workday.